Zima. Today I'm going to show you how I painted this deer painting. There'll be a lot of fur techniques to learn, and it wasn't that hard, but I will show you what I have, how I created the textures and the colors in the fur. The background can be changed to any color you want to suit your home decor. So let's get started. Stay tuned. If I can do it, you can do it, so just stay tuned. I'm very excited about this project I'm going to be creating today. It's a baby deer. I don't have it titled yet. I usually wait to the end and see what I want to title it. He's going to be mostly earthy tones like beiges and browns, and the background's going to be, I'm either going to go with tones of yellow or orange to bring out all the earth tones in his fur. Now, I'm going to start with the eyes because I always like to start with the eyes. Some of the colors I put out for today, and it's a little runny, it's hard to show you. We have like a tan color, there's a chocolate brown, a darker brown, there's a more of a medium beige, there's black over there that's running, and then I have blue, baby blue, a light orange, and a darker orange, and of course white. So we are going to start with the eyes. That's my first goal. I like to get the eyes perfect so they suck you into the painting. And then I move around and just work as, I see fit. And then we'll probably put in some of the background to see where it's going and if I want to change it or add more colors to it. So that's the way I roll. So let us begin. Starting with the eye. Now he's got some long eyelashes and they are protruding out like that. Okay. And it's just a first coat. And then his eye is rounded out like that. This other one is rounded more this way. Okay. As long as I get some black, I'm going to do his nose. Put that in there. And he has sort of like a heart-shaped nose. There. Kind of a heart-shaped nose. Now all this is his eye, what do you call it, pupil. This eye over here is going to be more in the shadow, whereas this one's maybe catching some sunlight. And he's got long eyelashes on the bottom, just so. Besides portraits, landscapes, cityscapes, florals, still lifes, I enjoy painting animals. Animals can be quite a challenge. They're like painting portraits, as they include all the characteristics: eyes, nose, mouth, body language, and expression. Every animal of the same species has unique features and facial structure. Every animal has its own personality, which should be captured. It is important to get the proportions correct in order to achieve a high level of accuracy. This can be done with reference photos. It's important to pay close attention to where the light source is coming from. Cast shadows should be painted in the opposite direction to the light source. First, determine, before you start your portrait, how realistic do I want my portrait to be? Do I want it to be super realistic, or do I want it to be impressionistic? I would say mine are in between realism and impressionism. They're somewhere in the middle. Painting fur can be a challenge, but with practice and patience, it can be mastered. Once you discover the techniques of layering, you will master it and paint with more confidence. First, lay down some dark undertones after you have it all sketched in with accuracy. Lay down those dark undertones. As each layer dries, you will be able to adjust your values and tones, and then start building your fur with varying colors. Create the fur with carefully placed brush strokes that contour with the animal's body. Try establishing a general darker tone under that fur first, before building up those layers of fur in varying colors. It is very important that your brush strokes follow in the direction of the fur growth. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I'm going to use those two brushes I showed you with the cutouts in. They're very good for doing fur. And I'm going to get some white, a little water in it, put a little tiny bit of beige, mix it up in there, and get this nice fur color. Start up here. What you want to do is leave some of the under colors shine through. You did work very hard on getting those under colors. So just keep going down little first strokes. Coming together really nice, just like I expected it to. What I'm going to do, start putting in the background. And we're going to start with this like apricot color. And just put it all over. It goes nice with the purple tones in the deer. And it'll be like our first layer, like we always do. Put down a first layer. So, I am going to probably have to speed this painting up right about here because you don't need to see me do this. This is just going around and putting in the background. So, right about here, speed it up. Okay, I think I'm going to call it quits on this one. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the colors of the purples in his fur that goes so nicely against this apricot yellow. I might tweak it a little bit later, but till now, I think I'm pretty much done with it. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I look forward to you watching some more because I'm going to keep on making them. So let me know what you guys want me to paint. If you want me to do more portraits, animals, cityscapes, landscapes, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. So until next time, keep on practicing. Stay tuned.